Love fresh juice anytime, anywhere. The JJ manual juicer makes it easy. No electricity, no hassle. It's simple to assemble, use, and clean. Perfect for cold-pressed juice on the go. Let's juice a pineapple. Cut the pineapple into small pieces for easy juicing. Fix the juicer on the table using its strong suction base for stability. Add pineapple pieces into the juicer. Turn the handle and watch the fresh juice flow out effortlessly. Look at that dry pulp. Maximum juice, minimal waste. That's it! Fresh, delicious pineapple juice anytime, anywhere. No electricity needed, just pure, healthy juice. Get your JJ manual juicer today from the website listed or call 601-248-73133 for more details. Happy juicing! Don't throw away the pulp. It's perfect for making pineapple paste filling for pastries. Zero waste, all goodness.